In the meantime, JPS has confirmed that it is in receipt of formal notification from the government indicating its, quote, intention of acquiring the licensed business at the expiration of the term of the license being July 8, 2027. Now, responding to the announcement made by Minister of Energy at a media briefing today, JPS President and CEO Hugh Grant expressed, quote, grave concern, noting that this development has several implications for the energy sector and for the country in general. The JPS leadership, shareholders and legal teams will review the implications while engaging key stakeholders. Regardless of the path forward, the JPS says it assures customers that JPS remains steadfast in its commitment to deliver safe, reliable, resilient and cost-effective electricity to service the nation.